Camille and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I would like to share with you my recent purchase, and that is the Canon G7x. Hindi na papaligoy-ligoy pa. Kitang-kita naman natin sa title of the video. So yun, a little backstory. I have been wanting to buy this camera for a very long time now. Like, I think 2017 pa, but your girl have other priorities, so kailangan ko muna siyang ipagpaliban. Back then kasi, I have a Fuji X-A2 camera, and then last 2017, I bought a Sony a6000. So, kung bibili pa ako ng Canon G7x, ito na yung magiging camera ko, which is hindi naman siya practical. And sayang naman din yung pera kung hindi ko naman magagamit lahat yon, di ba? Since nung bumili na ako ng Sony a6000, ay pinlano ko na talaga na ibenta yung Fuji X-A2 ko. So, finally, last year, I was able to sell it for a very considerable price naman. Bukod dun sa Fuji X-A2, binenta ko dun yung lens na 35mm. So, with that, bumili ako ng lens for my Sony, which is the Sigma 19mm, na ang aperture niya is f2.8. So, yun. May natirang pera. So, yung natirang perang nun, hindi pa siya enough for me to buy the Canon G7x. So, sabi ko, iipunin ko muna siya and idadagdag ko dun sa natirang pera na nakuha ko nung binenta ko yung Fuji X-A2. So, finally, come 2019, I was able to buy it last April 9. I am so happy with my purchase so far. So, yon. I tried researching other sites na pwedeng mabilan ng camera because yung original price ng Canon G7x, alam naman natin, it's almost 35 or 36,000. And since medyo mahal na yung investment ko for the Sony a6000, sabi ko, parang sobrang mahal na yun kasi maging parang almost 80k na yung gagastos ko. So, parang hindi naman siya practical. Again, for your girl, kasi nga, ang daming priorities ni Bessie. I tried researching for other online sites or online sellers na nagbebenta ng original and unused na Canon G7x for a lower price. So, I found this online seller na based sa Philippines, and they sell the Canon G7x for only 28,000 pesos. So, malaki na yung price niya compared dun sa original na price ng Canon G7x, which is 35 or 36k, right? So, thankfully, I went to Lazada and I found this online seller, and I think they are one of the top sellers in Lazada. And ang pangalan ng store niya is Best Zone D, and they sell the Canon G7x Mark II for only 25,600 pesos. So, 25, 28. So, sayang din yung 2,000 to almost 3,000. Diba? Pwede rin pambili ng other stuff yon. And I am so happy with the shipping and delivery because 8 to 18 or 8 to 15 days yung expected delivery no item, but it came earlier dahil in-order ko siya ng April 9 ng gabi, and then today is April 18 and dumating na siya, which is so very fast. I'm very happy with it. Monday, Thursday, so sobrang hopya talaga ako na dumating siya before mag-Friday kasi definitely sarado lahat. So, partner courier nila is LBC. So, yun. Let's start with the unboxing. It came in a box. Ito talaga yung original na box. Ang dumating. Yeah. Ang ganda siya. Ito siya. And then, let's open it, and this is what the box looks like. So it came with the plastic So, meron ding card nung online seller, which is the best Zone B. You guys want to check them out sa Lazada if you want to buy Canon G7x. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the card. Merong happy or not happy. So if you have any questions or feedback, or if you want to rate the seller, you can go to Lazada or email them. So may contact details here. So yun. So tuloy natin yung plastic, and this is it. Pansit. Yan. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So let's open it. Okay. Yan. It comes with, of course, the manual. Sobrang importante nito, guys, for troubleshooting, and if you want to learn more about how to operate the camera. So, yun. Hindi siya walang kwenta. Okay? So, dapat nakatago yan sa box. And then, ito na siya. Ito na siya. So, this is the camera. Let's open it. Medyo mabigat siya, but of course, compared naman dun sa mga other mirrorless camera, magaan pa din siya. So excited! Sobrang excited akong gamitin to because ingin na naman ni Copper. Yan, because I am currently using my iPhone XR for vlogging. So, yun. Medyo nakahassle ako kapag yung camera, yung phone yung ginagamit ko. So, yun. Yes. And, guys, pala, yung online seller is based in Hong Kong. So, yung ma-receive yung cord for the charger is ganito. Yan. Pwede ka namang bumili ng plug. Ilalagay mo dito. But if meron ka namang extension na parang ganito, meron kang extension na ganito, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng plug pa or ng universal plug, gano'n. So, yun. Ito yung cord. So, hindi ko pa inalis yung itong maliit na cord dito. But, I was able to charge yung battery niya. So, sobrang liit and nipis lang pala nung camera, nung battery na tong camera na to. So, yun, sinurge ko na din siya. What do we have pa? So, maliit na strap. I think this is for lalagay siya dito. Yan. Can you see it, guys? Yan, nalagay ko siya dyan. Okay? So, let's try putting it. Mamaya na lang. Anyway, so, yung last item inside is yung for charging them. Yeah. Okay, so, yun, that's it. Yun lang yung mga contents nung box. So, now, let's start to use the camera. Oops. So, nasa ilalim yung card and battery na pasokan. Dapat may clip para ma-lock yung battery. Memory card. So, I'm just gonna use my old memory card. And close it. Oops. Ito nga. Yan. Yay! Let's open it. Wow! Okay. Ito yan. Yan. Test video for the camera. I am going to try vlogging using my new camera. So after this video, you will see we will switch to the new camera. So let's go. Saglit lang, mag-vlog lang si Bessie. Hi! This is our first church. Diba? So ba yun? Ano to? Ano mo pangalan ng...
Our Lady of Miracles.
Okay, yun. Today is Good Friday. First ever vlog ni Bessie today. Visita Iglesia Essentials. Starbucks coffee. Pamaypay. Portable electric fan ni Ate Mi. Ano yan? Ano nga ulit yan? What's that? Ano pangalan yan?
Way of the Cross.
Okay. Yan. Yan yung babasahin natin for every station of the cross. Right? This is our second stop. Ano ulit to? Immaculate Conception Parish. Hindi na tayo mag-vlog sa loob, guys. Dito kami sa third stop. Kami sa Banay-Banay. St. Vincent Ferrer na church. Tapos magkano pa ba tayo? After nito, yun dun sa may tambo. Tapos, Divina Pastora. And then, ano yung next? Ito na si Mayora. Mayora Feli. Stop. Ano nga ulit to? Ano church? Best anong church to?
Divino Amor.
Totoo?
Oo.
Redem? Tay, mag-start ka na. Bila. Tapos na. Tara nandun. Si Ate Mayo nambubugaw. Nasaan na tayo, Tay?
Dito tayo.
Saan?
Sa gilid na sa
Hindi. Anong church? Anong church to?
Charles.
Anong church? Ito na ba yung Mount Carmel?
Mediatrix.
Mediatrix daw. Mediatrix Hospital. Charot. Hindi yung Mount Carmel. Yung may mataas. Ayan.
May mataas kasi mount.
Ha?
Mataas kasi.
Hi! Hi, baby girl! Hi! Hi, Coco! Say hi! Stay ka lang. Yan, good girl! Good girl naman si Coco. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun na nga ba? Luto tayo ng tuyo. Okay. And then, gawa tayo ng brown fried rice. Yummers! Kain tayo!
Diba? Ba't hindi niya makita yung wifi kinem?
Daddy mix.
What's happening?
Pinakamagandang cake. Happy birthday. Ganyan ba talaga yun?
Natunaw kasi.
Yan nasisira ng career ng Goldilocks at Red Ribbon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Naku,
One. Closer, closer. One, two. One more. Coco. Oh, hi.
Hi! So, ano namang message mo kay Ate Mi? What's your message?
Ano message mo? Ano message mo, madam? Madam. Ano, madam? Ano message mo?
Gusto niya.
Ano message mo, madam? Madam! Ano message mo, madam?
Hoy, dito ka.
Labas na.
Shh.
Gawa naman ang message si Copper.
Copper. Ano message mo? Ano message mo?
Wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Ako kasi aircon.
Madam, ano message mo? Madam! Madam! Pagod na pagod.
Oo, pagod na pagod siya.
Hindi kasi siya makahinga.
Oo, naiitik ang
Lungs niya.
bigat ni madam.
And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want, share this with your family, your friends, your loved ones, whatever. Thank you in advance. I hope to see you guys on my next video or my vlog, whatever, using this camera. So, bye-bye!